Heard your stomach growl and wondered if everyone else did too? Let's find out why it happens. That rumble isn't just hunger, it's science. Your gut's moving food and gas with muscle waves called peristalsis. When your tummy's empty, air and liquids slosh around, making that classic growl. Hunger hormones like Ghrelin turn the volume up. So next time your stomach shouts, relax. It's just your body's way of hitting the reset button. Hungry or not, your gut's always got something to say. Follow Intelliverse Health X for more real health tips.